Hi, my name is Jennie Patricic from Simple Graces Art and Wellness, and I am thrilled to announce that I will be presenting 2 virtual workshops at the Whitman Wellness Center. I think you might be able to take a guess what kind of workshop I'll be presenting. That's right, children and family yoga. At my Winter Wonders workshops, we will explore music, movement, yoga, meditation, breath work, and of course, we are always going to get a little crafty at the end of my workshops. So who would be the perfect person to attend this workshop? Well, anyone that has a child in their life. So if you're looking to connect with your child, you can take this class with them. If you've got a baby up until about age 3.5, you're probably going to have to take this class with them, but that's okay. We'll show you lots of ways that you can incorporate yoga into your play with your child. If your child's a little bit older, maybe 4 on up to 8, this is a perfect time for you to get something done around the house while I entertain the kids and show them some tools that they can use to keep their bodies moving and their minds still. I am so excited that I'll be able to present this workshop not once but twice, and we're doing different books and different crafts and different activities both days. So you can sign up for one day or you can sign up for both. I'll be presenting this workshop on December 28th and December 30th from 11 a.m. till about noontime, little after noon. And you can sign up at whitmanwellnesscenter.com or probably by clicking the link that's underneath this video. So I hope that you and your loved ones will join me at my Winter Wonders workshop through the Whitman Wellness Center. Namaste.